right, product review of the Dakine World Traveler Bag, 9'6". Here it is, you can see it down there. Let's take you through it and find out what some of the features are. Here, okay? I'm gonna see if we can flip the camera around and show you some of the stuff like the zipper, the external fabric. It's a pretty thick bag, but let me just have the video do the talking here, and I'm gonna explain as I flip this camera around. All right, here it is. This is the 9'6" version. It has a couple wheels back here. They seem fairly sturdy, but they could be thicker and more dense material, I feel like. Okay, here there's a couple loops that looks like for tie downs that you could do when it's on the rack, okay? So, it is a very big bag. Supposedly this is like 20 pounds. You have your heavy duty zippers right here. I'm gonna zip it, unzip it here like this. You have these clips that can cinch it down if you wanna make things more snug. So we're gonna open it up to their side. There's a couple handles on the top right here on the top flap. Where's that thing? There it is. Okay, zipping it up, around, let's open it up. All right, so inside we have some board dividers, okay? They are attached. So there's 1, 2, 3. So this is a 9'6" bag, but this is a 9/0 board that's in here right now. You can see it's kind of curved up right through here, and the board's getting pushed behind there. Underneath, that's just a protective flap because below that is the plastic for underneath of the bag. Okay, so pretty thick material, pretty good padding right here. I don't know the official ½ inch or something. If you look it up on the websites, it'll tell you. I'm just gonna show you the actual bag. You can look up all the specs and the details online. So this is the 9/0 board, 9'6" bag. There's still some room there, not a ton of room. I don't know, I mean, they say a 9'6" board will fit in here, but I got this because I'm gonna throw a few boards, but also the wetsuits and booties or whatever you need, towels. So this is kind of cool, which should come with it, because this is just some straps that you can tie down the boards. Okay, so I do want to show you. So here's the flap. All right, one, lay another board on here, lay another board down there. They are like sewn in, they're attached. So it's fine. Yeah, they're sewn in there. Let me show you. Now I'll take this board out and show you. There's a couple little pockets up by the nose. Looks like there's some venting right there. Another vent right there. Okay, the board is out. So here it shows, it says leash pocket right there with Velcro. And then, what's it say? Another, can't read this. Read it? Another leash pocket on this side. Both Velcro, but it is stitched together. Let's go here. It's stitched right there. So it's not one giant pocket, it's two pockets. That's pretty much it for the pockets on the inside. This is that flap I was telling you, that's Velcro. It's just basically the plastic protector for the bottom side of the bag. So if we flip this bag up and over, this is what you see on the bottom, right? No handles on this side, but you do have these rail guards here, and you know, the wheels. They seem all right. They seem pretty good. Rolls pretty smooth. And let's bring it back over. So yeah, it's a very good quality bag. Pretty pricey, pretty expensive. This is the 9.6 version. They made it 8.6 and I think even like a 6.6, but okay, so let's show you with a couple boards in. Okay, I put another board in. I don't really ride this board, and it has glassed in fins, which is definitely not ideal for this. You want to have, you want to be able to take those fins out. But I don't know if it could fit 4, long boards. Definitely, yeah, I think it probably could fit the 4 long boards without the fins. I don't have 4 long boards. I've got 2 here, and I got another one that's a 7.2 mid-length that would fit in. I've already put it in with the bag to see what it's like. But here, this is a handle here, nice kind of a padded handle. I guess you can hang it up with that little tab there, the loop. But yeah, this is a heavy-duty bag if you want to travel the world in, depending on the airline. So I got this. Not all airlines will take 9.5 foot bags. So this is flying with United. I did message Taylor Jensen to ask him about, if this would be fine, what airlines he flies, Qantas and United and Virgin Australia mainly. But let's flip it around. All right, taking this across here, fold it up there, get the zip. Zip's pretty easy. Gonna just bring it there. Right. There you go. Okay, so we can cinch it down if you want right through here, tie it down, compact it. There's the handle. So yeah, rolls, really nice, real easy. It's just a ginormous bag. So here is the Dakine World Traveler 9'6". Leave, if you have any questions, type them in the comments below. Any other comments you have, any questions you have. Trying to make this video kind of quick, so I'm talking pretty fast. If I missed anything, comment, I'll reply back and just, answer your question or whatever. But find some stuff in the comments, like the video, thumbs up, subscribe, all that stuff.